Hello. It's DMV Test Buddy again. Today we'll look at an interesting and difficult task that will surely make not only new drivers but also experienced drivers think twice. A preliminary survey on this task showed that more than 60% of respondents were unable to solve it correctly. Let's try to check how quickly you can solve this task. So, look closely at the screen. In this task we have to find out which driver will break the rules by driving in the direction of the arrow. A. The driver of the white car. B. The driver of the gray car. C. Both drivers will break the rules. D. Neither driver will break the rules. I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. So, let's figure it out. In the picture with the task, we see a white and a gray car that simultaneously drove up to a T-junction. The driver of the white car at the intersection intends to turn left, and the driver of the gray one intends to make a U-turn. To figure out which of them is allowed to make the intended maneuver, we need to analyze the picture with the task in detail. We should start analyzing with the road signs. In total, we see 3 signs in the picture. The sign that is on the pole to the right of the cars is the main road sign. Above the road, we see a sign, the direction of movement in lanes. And to the right of the cars, on a portable support, there is a sign, no left turn, it is on a yellow background. Having figured out the signs, we encountered a contradiction. The sign that allows a left turn from both lanes contradicts the sign that prohibits a left turn. To figure out this contradiction, we need to refer to the chapter on temporary road signs. So, if temporary road signs and permanent road signs contradict each other, drivers must follow the temporary signs. Since signs on a yellow background are considered temporary, in our situation, drivers are obliged to comply with the requirements of this sign, which, in turn, makes it clear that the driver of the white car will violate the rules if he turns left. However, this sign does not prohibit a U-turn, but since the driver of the gray car approached the intersection in the right lane, this maneuver will also be considered a violation of the rules, since it is allowed to be performed only from the far left lane. Accordingly, the correct answer to the problem is C. Congratulations if you chose it. So, admit it, who of you answered quickly and correctly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.